Good morning students. We continue our lesson 4. Let's travel. In lesson 4, unit 4, we continue our activity 3. First of all, we already learnt Somnath temple. Now we continue our second Sidi Syed Jali. See here the picture. It is the mosque, Sidi Syed Mosque. The Sidi Syed Mosque was built in 1593 AD. It is attested by the marble stone tablet fixed on the wall of the mosque. It was built by Sidi Syed or Sidi Syed, an Abyssinian in the retinue of Bilal Jahangir Khan, general in the army of the last Sultan Samsuddin Muzaffar Shah II of the Gujarat Sultanate. The mosque is entirely arched and is famous for beautifully carved 10-stone lattice work windows on the side and rear arches. The rear wall is filled with square stone pierced panels in geometrical design. The two bays flanking the central aisle have reticulated stone slabs carved in design of intertwined trees and foliage and a palm motif. Sidi Syed Jali is known identity of Ahmedabad. This intricately carved stone window is the Sidi Syed Jali, the unofficial symbol of city of Ahmedabad and the inspiration for the design of the logo of the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. Right? So Sidi Syed Jali is situated in Ahmedabad. It is the pride of Ahmedabad. Now our third, this one is the Rani Ki Vav. Rani Ki Vav. It is situated in Patan. Right? Okay. Now we see Rani Ki Vav. Rani Ki Vav is a famous stepwell situated in Patan town in Gujarat in India. During the period of the Solanki of Chalukya, the stepwell called the Rani Ki Vav or Rani Ki Vav was constructed. It is a richly sculptured monument. This magnificent east-facing stepwell measures approximately 64 meter long, 20 meter wide and 27 meter deep. A stepped corridor compartment at regular intervals with pillared multi-storied pavilions in a unique feature. It was one of the largest and the most sumptuous structures of its type. It became silted up and much of it is not visible now except for some rows of sculptured panels in the circular part of the well. Among its ruins, one pillar still stands, which is the proof not only of the elegance of its design but also excellent example of this period. A part only of the west well is excellent, from which it appears that the wall had been built of brick and faced with stone. From this wall project vertical bracket in place that supported the different galleries of the well soft proper. This bracketing is arranged in tiers and is richly curved. The minute and exquisite carving of this vav is one of the finest specimens of its kind. Befitting its name, the Rani Ki Vav is now considered to be the queen among stepwells of India. There is also a small gate below the last step of the stepwell which has a 30 kilometers tunnel built, which leads to the town of Siddhpur near Patan. It was used as an escape gateway for the king in the times of Fate who built the stepwell. Ran Ki Vav at Patan, Gujarat is part of the UNESCO's World Heritage tentative list since 1998. Okay. Now fourth one is Sabarmati River. Sabarmati River front. Picture 4. Okay. I think almost visited the river front. Okay. Right, students? Okay. Now we start for Sabarmati River front. Okay. Listen. Sabarmati River front is a newly developed ambitious project of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. The Sabarmati River passes through the city Ahmedabad, splitting the city into two parts, east and west. Since the river has been getting narrow over the years and the city has been getting overpopulated, the bank of the river on either side of the river were lying dry and useless. The municipal corporation got the idea, visiting London and other countries, that the river can be well maintained and the banks could be a good visiting place for native residents and visitors. It is very well developed, spending a large amount. The river keeps clean and people go for stroll every morning and evening. It's a long stretch and a wonderful place for joggers and strollers. Right? Okay. Now see activity 4. Here the activity for Gujarat part 2. Let's read about famous place of Gujarat. Okay, now we see activity 4 in our next video.